Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by killing any hung edge processes, open Task Manager and end them. Then make sure Windows updates are installed, because many browser problems stem from system mismatches. Install and reboot if prompted. Once done, open Edge settings and clear cache and cookies. This removes corrupted session data that often causes loading failures. If you use profiles, sign out, then back in to reinitialize sync. This isolates profile-related errors and gets you ready to move into deeper repairs. Now you run targeted diagnostics. Disable every extension, one at a time, because an add-on frequently breaks functionality. Reload pages after each change to spot the culprit. If that fails, reset Edge settings or create a fresh user profile to eliminate corrupted preferences. Next, launch Edge with the Disable GPU flag to test for graphics driver conflicts. If that helps, update or roll back GPU drivers via Device Manager. Make sure to test network pages in private mode to rule out cache or cookie persistence. To finish, reinstall Edge or run Microsoft Repair from App Settings. This restores missing files and resets executable associations. You should also inspect firewall, antivirus, and proxy settings, temporarily disable or create exceptions to ensure Edge isn't blocked by security rules. Once everything is restored, test with several sites and clear DNS cache ipconfig/flushtons to resolve name issues. If problems persist, create a new Windows user. This single troubleshooting tip quickly tells you whether the fault is system-wide or limited to your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.